Hello and good morning, as today is day number 28 of June 2018. This is your crypto day morning. My name is Derek. Like always, all risks associated within your own risk own reward within the crypto space. Not much to go over today, so I'm just going to quickly go over Bitcoin and a cross against Binance coin. But as we can see, Bitcoin's down 0.5% against the currency, Ethereum a 0.15. These main staples are just not moving too much. In fact, the first significant mover up or down, or a double digit mover, is Digibyte, up 15.5%. And other double digit moves, I've never heard of this one. Maybe this might be something I'll look at later on, but it's up 17%. There's only two movers in double digits. Sometimes there can be days where almost everything is in double digits, red or green. And of course, today not being one of them. Bitcoin prices at 6,100 and it's spending the last few days. This is now day number 5 since this big red candle bottom day, and really day number 3 since the one that you can't tell is a big down move, but it was. So it's just hugging, staying within the 18 average. It hasn't left it, but it is showing weakness amongst the 18 average of highs. We take a look at this on a 3-hour time frame. You had that significant down move at the end of the 24th day, and since then it has just been choppily going sideways within this range of about 6,030 upwards to about, mainly trading in a range up to about 62.55. Nothing too much going on here. Let's take a look at VIA crossed against the Binance coin next. It is down right now to 0.712, but when we look at what we see here, you had this amazing sell opportunity on March 7th. Then you have a little bit of this. And just a small amount here. Maybe this was a legit move for the day, though. You never know. But look at this. Look at the buy and sell opportunities here. Another one. Another one. And again, within this current session. If we move this to, say, a 15-minute time frame, I only got 2 of these. I ended up selling on 2 of these levels in here. I sold at 0.99. So I kind of think I missed. I think I sold this one or this one. Then I got this, meaning I had a sell order at 999, which would have hit here and maybe one of these. But I get a sell order here. Oh, I can buy it back. Place my orders again. Oh, sell it. Place my orders again. And then, well, nothing has happened since. Just another quick one. Syscoin against Binance. Not much for selling opportunities here, but this is something that was trading at single 03 on the decimal, and this goes to 006. So if you have deep buy orders in, maybe you're going to get hit and get lucky. But if you have deep ones in and the price goes back up, you got the instant profit taking you can do. Pretty cool. PivX against Binance. Hasn't had one yet. But just because it hasn't had one doesn't mean it won't. So if you just put some buy orders in, again, everything's your own risk and own reward. But if you have them in deep and you go, oh, I'm going to put one at 0.1 or 0.02, maybe they'll hit, maybe they won't. But your Bitcoin, or Binance coin rather, would be stored in one measure like that. So you have to actually keep it there. You can only do so much with it in that sense. You put in large sell orders, at times they're going to hit. Of course, times that they won't. But it's better to me to have sell orders in and then wait for the action to come to you and do that rather than just hold them doing nothing in some sort of bounce. This is ICX against Binance coin. Oh, it had this day here where it fell from 0.5 to 0.01. Ven, or VeChain, hasn't really had any of it, but when you have opportunities within the buy low, sell high, where you can have moves like this, back down, back up. This is awesome profitability if you can get your buys and sells in market conditions looking like that. On the Monaco trade against Binance, there was a nice sell opportunity on May the 14th, and this was part of a normal move, but April 19th, it did really well. Nice sell opportunity existed on February the 19th. And when you look at the volatility, that's going from 80.8 to 2.6. So that's better than a 3x move. XLM or Stellar Lumen against the Binance coin? Well, there you have it. So why do these moves happen? Well, in the situations for them going down, this is usually an example of large players whom want, in this case, they want to get the base currency big and or out of the one that they are trading. And this can be a very common thing when Binance coin is in a very good bull market run, when it's got high volume to the upside, or in the same case when the coin, in this case Stellar, is having high volume on the downside. Then a lot of these moves can take place, but it shows you how deep you can really place these buy orders and sell orders. So if you have a price that's trading in around, say, 0.02, and it goes to 0.004, that's about a 5x move that you can go down. So if you got a 50%, 60%, 70% reduction, all the way to about 80%, all those orders will hit. Sometimes they'll work, sometimes they won't. For maybe you got lucky on here because you put a buy order in at 0.007, but then you didn't get lucky here because the bottom was much higher. So I'm just pointing this out. I'm not going to go over any more. But within these smaller type of we'll say exotic exchanges, that's the best word, exotic, just much different, that you can very often get these types of moves. So having your sell orders and buy orders ready in place, to me, is a very good idea. Thank you for tuning in to this video, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.